Hello everybody, CW here. I got a gift in the mail. It looks like the ZINC MASTAH has been busy again. I was watching Ricky's little short there with his thank you, and I got a message from Andy the other day saying, hey, you better check your mailbox. I think there's something in it there. So here we go. Let's see what the ZINC MASTAH sent us. He's a sneaky little guy. I didn't know anything was coming, so we hadn't talked. Usually we talk and he'll have a new mold or he'll have something that he thinks I'm interested in or something along those lines, but I know he's been busy casting for his client. So we'll see what we got here. Oh, we got some 30 calibers. Look at here. Mystery bullet. He's even got them covered up so we can't see what they are. He's got a box chock full here. All right. Lyman 311 332. It's 180 grain pointed gas check, but in zinc, it's 113 grain. And he tumbles these in like a ceramic. It says ceramic stones, but it's kind of like what you do for buckshot to make it nice and round, and it gives it this nice patina. It makes a beautiful bullet. It makes a beautiful bullet. He really does make a beautiful bullet. Look at those things. Very, very nice. Some packing. This is the 358 429 170 grain. Okay, these I've shot a few of. I'm glad he gave me some more, because I want to try some more. This is one of my favorite bullets for the 357. It's 170 grains in lead, but it's 104 grains in zinc, and it's kind of hard to see with the glare. But it's a long-nosed semi-wad cutter bullet, single flat bottom grease groove, and a single crimp groove, and it's just a really, really dandy bullet. So we got some more of those to try again. Oh, he knows what I like. Seasoning my lead. Oh, here's that. Yes, this is going to be good. We talked about these. I bought the 65 grain version of this because I was worried that the bearing surface for the 76 grainer would be too long and it may not stabilize. Everything I have for 223 for slow twist is 1 in 9. I don't have anything slower, and I find that 70-ish grains is right at the cusp of being too long of a bullet, because again, it's not the weight of the bullet that determines your twist that you need, it's the bearing surface. So really long bullets need the faster twists. So this is going to be good. I get to try these out. Thank you, sir. That's going to be good. And there we go. So we got some nice bullets here to test. And let's see what this mystery one is. Mystery bullet from the ZINC MASTAH. Let's see what he sent us here. Ah ha 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 ha. Yeah, Andy, you made me laugh. These are Lyman 225450. My wife nicknamed these the gnome hats. G-N-O-M-E, gnome, like the garden gnome, because they got that very pointy tip. And these are, I shoot these in the B, in my single shot B, Thompson Center, and they shoot really, really good. So it's going to be neat to try these as zinkers. That's funny, Andy. Thank you so much, sir. I just happen to have a Ziploc baggie here. I'll drop these in. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Please go over and check out Andy's channel. He does some neat stuff over there. He's got a powder coat the conventional way. He's got a powder coat gun and he does things that way. I've sent him some bullets and some powders that wouldn't work for me at Shake and Bake, and he proved that they work just fine in the gun, you know, as they're supposed to. So that was really enlightening, and you know, kind of peace of mind to know that the powder's just fine. It's just our process that doesn't produce the static that's needed to make it work. And today is Friday, so as you should all know, Friday night is Georgia Shooting Channel and Georgia Shooting Connection Friday night chat. And I really wish you could stop by. We've got a special guest tonight. I don't know if his wife is going to be there, but Dave Matson's going to be there from, sorry for the glare, Matson Machine Shop. He's going to stop by and be our guest. So we're going to talk about some of the products that he makes. And hopefully we can get Ricky Baird on there as well, because Ricky and I have been doing teamwork on his products. And a matter of fact, I'm set up and started a video the other day on the plane-based gas check, and I want to do a better video of that. I'm going to try and finish it up today. If my wife's having a good day and she doesn't need me too much, I'll be able to get that ironed out. So I try and make it tonight, and join us on the Shooting Connection, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Georgia Shooting Connection channel. God bless everybody. Thanks a lot, Andy. CW out.